WhatsApp not sending verification code on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on WhatsApp not sending verification code on iPhone. Now let's get right into the tutorial. This issue might sometimes occur due to poor internet connection. So make sure you are connected to a proper working internet connection. If not, you can also switch between networks. That is, if you are using Wi-Fi, switch to cellular, and if you are using cellular, switch to Wi-Fi. Now, open WhatsApp and request the verification code again and see if your issue is fixed or not. If not, open Settings again and scroll down and navigate to the Messages option and tap on that. Now, in here, firstly, go ahead and toggle off the toggle button for iMessage, and now scroll down and under the Message Filtering tab, tap on the Unknown and Spam option. In the interface that you will be led to, make sure the toggle button for Filter Unknown Senders is toggled off. See if the issue is fixed or not. If not, in Settings itself, go ahead and toggle on VPN service. If you do not have a VPN on your device, then you can download a VPN from your App Store and launch the VPN. Now go to WhatsApp and request a verification code, and if your issue is still not fixed, take out the SIM card from your device and try inserting in some other device and requesting the verification code, and your issue should have been fixed by now. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.